Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get this makeup look I did a while ago on Instagram. Basically the key features of this look is the jet black eyeliner and the grungy looking yet very cute lips. I've used black and pink mostly to get the simple e-girl feel to the look. It's not difficult at all and super easy to recreate. Alright, so right now I'm going in with primer, and for primer I'm using the same primer which I've been using for a couple of videos. And yeah, I'm just gonna blend it all over my skin. Now to color correct, I'm using my favorite color corrector. And I have mostly blue tones on my face, so I'm going in with this peachish orange corrector and just correcting all the discolorations on my face. Really love this corrector. It's suitable for all skin types. Love the way it sits on the skin as well. Now going into my favorite foundation. I've been using this foundation again for a couple of videos now, and this foundation is pretty full coverage and I love the way it sits on the skin. It makes the skin look extremely flawless, which is one of my favorites. Yeah. It's a super full coverage foundation. Alright, now I'm going into concealer, and for concealer I'm going to use these two shades right here. One is a brightening concealer and one is like almost my skin tone concealer. So I'm going to be putting both of that on my face. I love these concealers. These are super full coverage and you need a very tiny amount. So that's why I'm using very little of it. This too is from Loreal and it sits extremely well on the face without making it look too cakey or anything like that. Blending all of that in. As you can see, the blend of it is so seamless. Just love this concealer. Now for blush, I'm going to go into this Aiba lipstick, and I've basically just mixed the lipstick with some concealer and I'm applying that to the cheekbones. And as you can see, it's so pigmented, so you need like a very little amount. I've made a lot, but anyways, it's extremely pigmented and it lasts all day, and it's the best way to match your blush to your lips. Applying a little bit of that on my nose as well to give a cute vibe, since we are doing an e-girl makeup look. Alright, now for brows, I'm just gonna fill my brows in like how I usually do. Going in with some brow gel. Now gonna set all of that makeup in with some loose powder, and I'm just pressing it all of it in my skin because I have oily skin, so powder is a must for me. Now going in with some compact powder from Maybelline, and I'm just gonna go all over that. By doing this, basically I get like a smooth canvas. Now to contour my features, I'm just gonna go in with this contour powder and just enhance my features a little bit more. As you can see, I'm heavily contouring the nose so that I get like a nice long slim nose. Now for eyeshadow, you can go into any just like beigeish brown eyeshadow and just throw that all over the lid. And make sure that you blend it out nicely. It shouldn't be like one lid has more color and the other eye has less. So yeah, just blend it out nicely with a fluffy brush. Now for the liner part, I'm using a liquid eyeliner for this entire process. I feel that I get more precision with a liquid eyeliner. And I'm going to go into a nice, a cat eye wing eyeliner. And since I have a little bit of hooded eyes, it's a struggle to get that liner well. But yeah, I'm looking straight into this small little mirror that I have. And I'm just drawing the wing as thick as I can without it making, my eyes look closed. Hence, that's why I have made my inner corners like, a very thin line on the inner corner, in the inner corners, and the gradually as it goes outward, there's a thick wing. Doing my inner corners as well. Now taking that little bit of liner down to my lower lash line. Now I'm taking in a Kohl pencil and I'm just gonna line my entire waterline. Now to set that Kohl pencil, I'm gonna go in with this black eyeshadow and just blend the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna go curl my eyelashes because I'm gonna put some mascara and some false eyelashes to give that more dramatic e-girl vibe. So for mascara, I'm going into this mascara and coating my eyelashes. You don't need a lot of mascara because you're anyways gonna, add some falsies. So you can lightly coat them. Doing my lower lash line as well. Now for the falsies. I've gone in with this messy style falsies and yeah, I'm just going to apply them. Now to add a little bit of shine to my face, I've gone in with this gold highlighter and I'm just applying it to my brow bone, nose, cupid's bow and cheekbones. Now to neutralize my lips, I've gone in with some concealer and I'm blending all of that out. Now I'm going in with the eyebrow pencil to line my lips. I really love this, eyebrow pencil as a lip liner. It's like my favorite. So yeah, I'm just darkening the lines of my lips with this eyebrow pencil. Taking a brush and blending all the harsh lines. Now going in with that same Kohl pencil and adding a little more, depth to the lips, blending that as well. Now going in with that same blush concoction that I had made earlier, I'm just applying that to the center of my lips to give a more flush to the lips. Now adding a little bit of that black eyeshadow to the corners of my lips for more dimension. And again going in with that eyebrow lipstick to get more pink in it. Now to top it all off, I'm going in with some gloss and I'm lathering it only at the center of my lips, not taking it all the way to the ends. This gives a more pouty look. And yeah, now that all of the lips and the eye makeup and everything is done, this is pretty much the look.